Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Real quick, if you haven't before, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So today, let's talk about Jeep storage options, specifically the Jeep Wrangler 4-door, although some of these might work for the 2-door as well. You know, the Jeep itself is just a great big rectangular box, right? And that means that you can put a lot of other boxes or containers or bags or whatever inside of that big box when you want to keep things safe from theft, prying eyes, or the weather, or maybe just keep things from flying around all over the place when you're driving top down or just down the road, right? So let's go ahead and jump in. These are some Jeep Wrangler storage solutions. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, by the way. It says here, popular Jeep Wrangler storage solutions focus on maximizing dead space, which there's a lot of if you're not using it in your Jeep, and securing loose gear when driving with the top down or doors off. Because the Wrangler's standard trunk lacks secure covered space, aftermarket upgrades are highly popular for both daily organization and rugged trail runs. The best aftermarket storage solutions are broken down by placement as we move on, so depending on where they're going to be located, right? The first one, secured trunk enclosure and drawers. Leaving a Wrangler unattended with the top off exposes cargo to weather and theft, as I mentioned earlier. Heavy-duty locking systems turn the back trunk area into a vault. It also gives you a place to organize things, right? But you can lock things in drawers with lockable compartments, either padlocks or typical cylinder locks with a key, right? I imagine if you wanted to spend a ton of money, you could probably get something with one of those locks that has a push-button digital opening mechanism, you know? That would cost a fortune, I would think. Features dual lockable steel drawers built with smooth, easy glide rollers. It provides a sliding rear workstation table and recessed top tie-downs to lock heavy coolers or camping gear on top. Couple sources for you if you're looking for these: Rugged Ridge and also Extreme Terrain. And then a company I never heard of. It's called Tactic Storage. I don't know what that is, but they're listed here as well. That one is a powder-coated steel enclosure that requires floor mounting. It features a large slide-out drawer plus a hidden secondary locking compartment tucked underneath the main tray pad. Sounds like a pretty good idea to me. And then another is called Squad Box. It's a modular, they call it a modular secure storage system. Extreme Terrain, again, another place where you can get that one as well. The next category, raised cargo racks and shelves. Wrangler trunks are narrow but tall. Cargo shelves take advantage of the vertical dead space behind the rear seats. A company called Fishbone Off-Road apparently has an interior storage rack. It's constructed from textured black powder-coated steel. It mounts directly onto the hardtop tub rails to give you an elevated shelf platform for smaller bags. There's another, it comes from, looks like FabTech. It's a cargo rack. It's an all-steel heavy-duty rack elevated 22 inches off the trunk floor. It provides a 4.5 square foot of flat, rattle-free space that handles up to 150 pounds of gear. Next up, wheel well saddlebags, the next category. Saddlebags and drop-down tables clamp onto unused space without eating up the main trunk floor, so they're not taking up trunk floor space. Molly wheel well bins, soft-sided storage bags from brands like XG Cargo or Tactic, mentioned again, that attach directly using the factory hardtop Torx bolts. They sit flush right above the rear wheel wells and feature customizable Molly webbing grids for tools, flashlights, or medical kits. Another very popular, I think, item that people put in their Jeeps, and probably a good idea. You know, if you're out in the middle of nowhere and something happens, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have at least a rudimentary medical kit with you, right? Tailgate tables, fold-down metal shelves that bolt onto the inside of the swing rear door. I have seen these, such as options from Rockslide Engineering, another company that supplies them apparently. They remain folded flat while driving and drop down to serve as a trailside cooking table or tool workbench. I would think it'd be more relevant for cooking. I don't know how many people go out in the middle of the woods, bring a bunch of tools, and decide they're going to start doing mods to their Jeep, but hey, who knows. Next category, cabin and center console security. Console vaults. I've had these before. Heavy metal locking inserts like the Tuffy security console safe, which I have had in the past and work quite well, that slip inside the factory armrest console. This keeps registration papers or small valuables secure even if the doors are off. Dash organizers, drop-in plastic trays that sit above the main infotainment screen to hold sunglasses, action cameras, and charging cables tightly in place. And you know, those are pretty handy these days. A lot of them come with threaded inserts where you can actually bolt in different types of, I guess, mounts for phones and cameras or two-way radios, maybe CBs, flashlights. I think the options are probably limitless. I mean, a lot of these mounts are pretty functional in the way that they work, and they'll hold many more items than maybe what they're advertised for. So anyway, these are just a few different categories, a few different things that you can add to the Jeep to give it more storage capability. Again, it's basically just this great big box, right? So there's certainly many different things that you can add to it. I've even put old milk crates, well, maybe new ones that you buy at like Lowe's or somewhere, but I've put those in the back, fastened down with Velcro before, to be able to put items inside. And these aren't things that I'm looking to leave like out in the weather or maybe out for prying eyes. But when I'm hauling something like groceries or whatever, I can stick those inside those crates. And that way, when I get home, the cans and groceries and all the stuff is not all over the place in the back of the Jeep. Just something that's handy to do. And again, very versatile for the back trunk space of the Jeep Wrangler. Leave a comment. Let me know. Any other ideas? I'd be curious. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.